What up, what up? It's your boy Shakes, back again with another unboxing video for the Air Jordan 11 Lows Bulls. I don't know if they Bulls, I don't know if they Gym Reds, I don't know if they Concord / Breds, whatever you want to call it, you know what I mean? But we here, unbox that. Is it double up worthy? I am biased with a double up worthy with Jordan 11s. I'm a Jordan 11 fan, it's my favorite number. Slowly I'm becoming a Jordan 3. You know, I'm a huge Jordan 3 fan as well, but Jordan 3s, you know, when I first started collecting my kicks, I would say 11s is up here, 3s were down here. Now it's more, it's close to an even race, and I love, but Jordan 11 is still my all-time favorite. I got like at least numerous pairs of Jordan 11s. That's the number I got the most. So this is a basic Jordan 12 black and gray box. My size 12. All right. It says white, university, red, and black. All right. AB 2187. Color code 160. All right. So this is my personal pair. I haven't even opened it yet. I got it. I'm not opening it. Wanted to double up, but we're double up on a lot lately, so I passed up on these, which I probably shouldn't have had. I wear my Jordan 11s a lot. Certain ones I have not touched. I do have most of them Deadstock. As you can see right here is the Jordan 11 Bulls. It's like I call it the Bulls, but you can call it Concord Breds or Gym Red. I've seen so many different names. All right, it's a dope shoe. The reason why I like it so much is the red bottoms. They ain't Louboutins, but it's red bottoms, see what I mean? The reason why I like the red bottom, I wear these pairs all the time. And this is just basically, you know what I mean? This is one of my favorite pair of shoes. All right, it's the lows. Like you see, the red bottoms, they hardly turn dirty. They hardly turn dirty. And it's so much better than icy bottoms to me for that reason. Now, this particular pair I have for about, 2000 and, when did this come out? I don't even remember. Somebody help me. Leave a comment below. Let me know what this year this came out. I think it's 2013. I don't remember. Or it could be even sooner than that. But this one actually kept in pretty good condition. Like I said, I do wear them a lot though. As you see, the Jordan sign is gone. I usually leave that little sticker. You can still see the imprint of that little size 12 sticker. All right, now what everybody's comparing this to right here, or is the Concords and the Breds. All right, as you can see, these pair of Breds are actually dead stock. Have not worn them. You can kind of tell when somebody hasn't worn something. Let me tell you something about the Jordan 11, not lows, but mids or highs, whatever you want to call them. You can easily tell when something's dead. See this right here? That's dead stock. You know what I'm saying? That's dead stock. It ain't wrinkled. As soon as you put your foot in these, right here is going to get creased. As you can see, on the Concords I have worn. I do have a pair of Concords dead stock as well. I mean, bottom isn't turning yet, but how can you tell it's not dead stock? Man, look at this right here. Look at that crease. It's like the back of my neck. If you can see, like the back of my neck, all creased up. You know what I mean? So these are not dead stock. I do have a pair of dead stock with the 45s on the back. 45 is one of my favorite numbers for so many reasons. A little bit of football career I did have. I did wear 45 at one point. Upstate New York, in New Hampstead. I did live off of Route 45. And down in Brooklyn, you know what I mean? Peoples, grew up East 45th, so, you know what I mean? 45 is one of my favorite numbers, so I don't care about the 23 in the back. I don't care about the 45 on the back. I really don't. It's a dope shoe regardless, you feel me? But like I said, this is not dead stock. But I do have a dead stock pair. Do have a dead stock pair of these, and I do have a dead stock. This is the dead stock pair of the Breds. I actually do have one that I do wear. All right. So as you can see, these are comparable, or is a combination of this. All right. And what I should have did, really and truly, people are saying that, but it's really not a combination of this. It's a combination of the lows, obviously, but this is what is a combination of the Concords and the Breds, as you can see. All right, now back to the shoe. The red bottoms, as I like to call them, Louboutins, and then we do have the white, you know, separating the bottom and the middle region where the basic Concord pant leather is. All right, toe box area, we do have that nice Jordan red logo. There we go. We do have the Jordan logo. I think it went out of focus again. Jeez. Inside we do have the red Jordan Jumpman as well. As you can see, I can flip it upside down if you want to jump into actually jump. All right. The back, we do got the red 23 with a little Jordan logo right here. All right. We do got the red 23. It is paste on, whatever you want to call it. I mean, I do like when they change that up a little bit with the little Jumpman logo. Tiny Jumpman, mini Jumpman. All right, pant leather smooth. The leather on this is pretty good. I like it. Looks like a really good quality leather. The job, it looks like they did a pretty good job as far as manufacturing them. I don't see too much, you know, glue mistakes or anything like that. It's not much. All right, it's not a bad shoe. I like the shoe a lot. Like I said, it is comparable to this, which, as you can see, has the white 23 and the red Jumpman. All right, but I do like that red bottom. Still got the carbon fiber on both of them. Carbon fiber is here, both parts right there. All right, this is a clean shoe. I should have doubled up. Now I'm feeling bad I didn't double up. I do have a pair of Concord lows as well, so I would more say combination of this and the Concord lows. Let me see if I can go ahead and find that. I need to get more organized on that. I can't find it. I don't know where it's at. It's probably downstairs in the other stash. I'm gonna switch my boxes and get my container. I'm just trying to still figure out what colors I want to do in regards to that. But once again, let's get back to the shoe. A little bit off topic. It's a dope shoe. It's a dope cop. I would definitely cop. I definitely would not miss out on these just for the simple fact of the red bottom. I feel like with the red bottom, you could wear these every day. You know what I mean? The biggest concerns when you rock the Concords is those icy bottoms. Once they turn that little brownish, you can see mine's going a little bit. I haven't worn these much, but it's still going a little bit. There are a lot of people that go ahead and restore your icy bottoms now, so you don't have much concerns about that. There's also shields you can always put on. You know what I mean? But I do like these lows. I do like these lows. Might be one of my go-to shoes going forward, depending if I could double up or not. I'm gonna still try to double up. I know there's still some restocks going. I think Foot Locker just restocked this morning. They just restocked this morning, and a coworker of mine actually had an extra size 12, but I was kind of iffy. I didn't want to ask her for it, knowing that I already had a pair. I didn't want to be selfish. But I'm gonna try to double up on these. If I can double up on these, I will be rocking these on an everyday shoe. Like I rock these. I mean, people see me all the time. I always got these on, always, because they lows, they feel comfortable. You know, I could slip my foot right in. It's like almost like a slipper, like a sandal. You know what I mean? And the color don't turn. I had these what 5, 6, 7 years wearing. Look at that. It looks like a brand new shoe. And you know, these are like my beaters. You mean, it's like my beater shoe. So, you know, like I said, I did scuff the other ones, but whatever. But like I said, this is a dope shoe. It's definitely a cop. I would say double up personally. For the resellers, I'm really not big. I don't really, you know, I don't sell shoes. So for the resellers, it's probably not profitable for you. I don't know. I know Jordan 11s have been extremely high ever since the documentary of The Last Dance, or The Last Shot, whatever it's called. It was The Last Dance, but Last Shot was a Jordan 14s. But they have gone up in price. Even the lows have gone up in price. So for those resellers, I don't know what's profitable for you. You know what's profitable for you. That's why you're a reseller. But me personally, I collect. I wear a little bit of my stash. I would say double up, because I want to wear one. I want to keep one fresh for sure. Hopefully Jordan collabs, do some more collabs like this. Maybe like a gamma iridescent collab, or I don't know how that would look, but I mean, I'm just talking smack. Or maybe a closing ceremony gamma collab, or a closing ceremony, you know, Baron collab, or you know what I mean, which also got the Baron lows as well. I got the closing ceremonies. I got the iridescence. I think I have almost all the lows of 11s that have come out. You know what I mean? Besides the IE or whatever versions they call without the pant leather. I think this is probably number 2 2. I'm not gonna say number 1. It's still gonna be on number 1. You know what I mean? I can't give up on these. I love these so much. These are my number 1 favorite Jordan 11 lows. But this is running a tight race because of that red bottom, that Louboutin. But yeah, leave a comment below. Let me know what's your favorite Jordan 11 lows, or what's your favorite Jordan 11 period. You feel what I'm saying? I still haven't got my hands on a pair of Gammas. I just moved out here to the Midwest. Gammas is just dropping. I was living in, you know, I was on the internet trying to hit, and man, I was in line forever on Foot Locker. But lowest out on the Gammas. I still want to pay, but I'm not willing to pay no $500-600 for no Gammas. No, sir. But if I could find one, or they re-release, that would be great, Jordan. You mean? Please, if anybody, you know, from Jordan brand sees this, you know what I mean? Well, not even Jordan brand, from Team Jordan sees this. You know, Team Jordan is the ones that release these Jordan numbers or OGs. Jordan brand is more like, you know, Chris Paul shoes, Melo's, you know, personal shoe, the Westbrooks. That's actually Jordan brand. Team Jordan is actually Team Jordan. Jordan 1s, 2, 3, you know, etc. So Team Jordan, please bring back the Gammas so your boy can hit something. You know what I mean? Like, subscribe. You know what I mean? Hit me up on Instagram. I'm gonna leave my name below. Leave your comments, subscribe, like, share. Like I said, if you're into mukbangs, check out my mukbang page. I got a mukbang page with my wife. We shoot mukbangs. I mean, you can check that page out as well. It's the Shakespeare's in Love. You know what I mean? Probably gotta scroll, because as soon as you put in Shakespeare, it's like so many names pop up. So many Romeo and Juliet stuff. But we're doing mukbangs, doing all types of stuff. We're doing challenges. Check that out if you're into that type of stuff. Otherwise, it's your boy. I'm out with another sneaker unboxing, I should say.
And fighting out of the red corner.
I mean, peace.
Yeah. Fucking body in the car and shit. Yeah. Tell the driver roll up the partition, man. I'm calling this chicken out. Yeah. There's a body in the car. Move around.